Hey there, future nurses. If you're gearing up to take the Nclex and want to pass it on your first try, you're in the right place. I'm here to share some top tips and tricks to help you ace the exam and pave your way to a successful nursing career. First off, let's talk about preparation. It's all about consistency. Make a study schedule and stick to it. Allocate specific times each day for different subjects. That way, you'll cover all the material without feeling overwhelmed. Next, practice makes perfect. Use practice tests to your advantage. They help you get familiar with the exam format and time constraints. Plus, they highlight the areas where you need more focus. Aim to take at least one full-length practice test each week. Now let's talk about understanding, not memorizing. The Nclex is designed to test your critical thinking and decision-making skills. It's not just about rote memory. Ensure you understand the why behind each concept. This will help you apply your knowledge to different scenarios on the exam. Alright, here's a big one. Self-care. Don't neglect it. A healthy body supports a sharp mind. Eat well, get enough sleep, and take breaks during your study sessions. Balance is key to avoiding burnout. Now, why should you consider joining the Nclex RN Institute of Nursing? Well, we offer tailored study plans designed by experts who know the ins and outs of the exam. Our study materials are always up to date with the latest Nclex changes. We also provide one-on-one mentoring. Our mentors are experienced nurses who've been in your shoes and successfully passed the exam. They offer personalized guidance and support, helping you stay on track. Another perk? Our extensive question bank. Over 5,000 practice questions that mirror the actual exam. Plus, detailed rationales for each answer to help you understand the reasoning behind it. And let's not forget our stress management workshops. We know how nerve-wracking preparing for the Nclex can be. Our workshops teach you techniques to stay calm and focused, even under pressure. So, there you have it. Consistent study, practice tests, understanding concepts, self-care, and the benefits of joining the Nclex RN Institute of Nursing. Follow these tips, and you'll be well on your way to passing the Nclex on your first try. Good luck, and remember, you've got this.